Today, DevOps is the trend that is grabbing headlines and attracting all the attention. While some organizations have resisted making a DevOps transition, either due to confusion about what DevOps entails, concerns that it may just be a passing fad, or a simple aversion to change, while other organizations have jumped in with both feet. The organizations in the second group are eager to reap the benefits of being realized by competitors and other companies that have already transitioned to continuous integration, continuous delivery, and adopted a DevOps culture. According to a Capgemini report, the recent report rather, about 60% of the organizations surveyed have either already implemented a DevOps approach or are planning to do so in the next couple of years. Jenkins is a popular automation tool that you can use to deploy software builds and manage all kinds of projects. Amazon Web Services, or known as AWS, on the other hand, is one of the leading cloud services provider and is a perfect tool for running builds, including complete DevOps pipeline automation and deploying web applications. Jenkins and AWS work seamlessly together to provide an effective as well as efficient, scalable solution. Hi, my name is Syed, and I'd like to welcome you to this course on mastering Jenkins continuous integration with AWS, building a DevOps pipeline. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years, and I've taught thousands of students. Our goal in this course is to completely automate deployment for a web application, and we are going to deploy several web applications, such as Python-based or PHP applications. Starting from our code sitting in our Github repository, having Jenkins do all of the heavy lifting and all of the work to automate the builds, and finally deploying our web applications on AWS using AWS Beanstalk. I've designed this course for beginners to intermediate skill level students. Let me walk you through the course agenda. In this course, you learn and practice setting up Amazon AWS environment from scratch. You will learn how to install Java JDK, the NGINX, Elastic Beanstalk CLI using Linux Shell. You will also learn how to configure AWS instances with relevant security groups and roles. Installing and configuring Jenkins master build server using AWS Shell, and implementing a build server for our continuous integration pipeline. You would also be able to connect Github as a source repository for our Python-based and PHP-based web applications. And finally, we'll also take a look at how to deploy an AWS Elastic Beanstalk with Jenkins CI, essentially completing our DevOps pipeline. You'll also learn several additional tools, tips, and techniques that I will demonstrate by hands-on lectures. I welcome your feedback and feel free to post your questions in the discussion area. So what are you waiting for? Click on the Enroll button now and start your learning journey. I will see you in class.